Brad Hall here with the Michael Air Jordan 34. I'm going to tell you all about this shoe today, and then I'm going to show you what this model would have looked like on Michael Jordan during some of his greatest moments. The very first thing I noticed about the Michael Air Jordan 34 is just how light it is. This upper, it's got kind of a translucent material. It's paper thin up there. It just feels like this shoe could float away. That is how light it is. The thing that I noticed second about this shoe, you can see right through it. That is the brand new Eclipse plate. That's there to really take full advantage of the 4-foot zoom bag. Down at the bottom, you've got good old herringbone and a lot of it. So that's basically it from a technology standpoint. Should be a real beast on the court, but the thing that got me most excited about this 34, I could really picture Michael Jordan wearing this one, especially that Chicago Bulls colorway that's coming out soon. I remember being so excited seeing Michael Jordan in his own shoe. It just always looked better on him. I wanted to recreate some of that good old magic. So what I did, I CGI'd this shoe onto Michael Jordan's feet during some of his most iconic moments. And that's what I'm gonna show you. I worked really hard on this. It just gives you goosebumps, and it really gets you pumped for this shoe.